How to carve a turkey using your Victorinox Classic. So once you've got the bird and you've got it cooked, somebody's got to serve it up. And you can be prepared with your Victorinox Classic to do the job. Step 1. The drumstick. Pull the drumstick away from the bird and carve away any connecting tissue. Remove the drumstick. Step 2. The wing. Pull the wing from the bird, cutting any connective tissue with your Victorinox Classic. Step 3. In an upward cut, slice into the breast, just above the ribs until you reach the breastbone. This will make it easier to remove the breast meat later. Step 4. The breast. Slice vertical cuts down into the breast using a fork with your Victorinox Classic. Use the fork to help control the large pieces of meat that you're going to be removing with your Victorinox Classic. Step 5. The thigh. To remove the thigh, pull it away and cut any connecting tissue with your Victorinox Classic. Step 6. Don't forget the oyster. Step 7. Step 7's kind of a gimmick. Really what you're doing is you're going to repeat the whole process on the other side of the bird. But that's all there is to it. Have a great Thanksgiving. Stay safe out there, guys.